background. We're up here at Summit Racing. We got the RC Nationals in the building. It's the RC Nationals, y'all. No prep. Let's see what they finna do. Like the end of it down there. Look like the beginning of it over here. I should have checked to see what. I don't know if we on 1080, 720, but it looked good. Good frames per second so far. Right now, I think everybody getting registered. Everybody over here trying to get registered.
Oh, I was waiting for to hear that.
He's in Alabama right now.
Look out, Tech guy Brian. Everything working and looking correctly. I always like to ask that when I start a good stream. PA's Dre, everything looking good. We got Pee Wee Bright. What's up with it, man? Look out, we got Rod G in the building. Pee Wee Brighton. Great racer was. Nah. Somebody asked, what was the question about Everdale? I'll say, hey, you at Everdale? No, sir. My funds couldn't let me make it that far. My funds wouldn't let me make it that far. 66 others. He say, what I've been up to. Man, what's going on, man? Hey, y'all. Hey, look out. I'm finna start asking some of these people some questions in a minute. But anyway, what's been going on? Man, let me update you. Keep you updated one time for the one time. Yeah, that's an RC drag.
Twan, I need you back up here. Oklahoma is Twan. Back up here.
Recently, you know, we've been going to a couple tracks and everything. We about to change up some things in a few minutes. I just got the backpack in. What's up with it, the last man 55? I just got the backpack in. I got a new camera. Got a battery pack to power it up. Got all that. Let me see what else. I got this gimbal going. Got the phone services paid up. I got the bill paid up. I got what I'm about to start doing is we got some big events coming up in Orlando. We got some big events coming up in Orlando. We got the Super Bowl racing for the cars coming up soon. Crawler Innovations. I just passed my boy now 10. We're gonna go back. We're just gonna get y'all to walk around one time for the one time real quick. But anyway, yeah, I got the backpack set up. We got the Super Bowl for the cars coming up. Hey, we got the Super Bowl for the trucks coming. I mean, not trucks. We got the Super Bowl coming up for the motorcycles. Is that my boy over there? Yeah, that's him. He always in the sun. The motorcycle. Look out.
What's up, brother?
What's up with it, man? Got Michael in the building, y'all. Michael with the cycle. Man, that's my boy, man. He got all the parts at Summit, man. He got everything. Y'all need some help, go look for him in the line and let other people skip you and come get on his nerves, man. That's my boy Michael, man. Come get on his nerves. Try to see if y'all can find a Volkswagen radiator. He'll help you find it.
Radiator hose too.
He said the radiator hose too. Okay. Do you need to go to pay to wash the RC cars? Nah. Not that I know of. You know they would have notified me by now if it was. But I done walked around the whole little section. Damn, this the end? Shit, so what? They ain't got no, oh, look. They ain't got no stop room, y'all. What's up, look at where is this located? We right here at Summit Racing in Arlington. Team Thundercock in the building. Got my boy Crawley Innovations in the building, y'all. My boy Edmundo over there. Got them tire foams. Anybody want to be racing they little cars or trying to grip the mud or the ground or the grass or whatever, y'all got to hit up Crawley Innovations. He the one with all the tire foams, which is, you know, what help y'all gripping the tires. It's like the inner tube for the tire, the fixer flat for the tire, or the air for the tire, whichever way it pose. Oh, Lord. Talking about Lookout, Crooked Wireless, Lost Service, Charter Fresh. Ooh. I hope it don't be doing that all day. Team Thundercock, is it one of them slow buffers or is one of them long buffers? There go my boy Gavin in there right there. Look out, look out.
What's up, brother?
Not much. I just got through letting them know about they need some Crawley Innovation foams. They need to hit y'all up if they want to race. They can't win without them.
Right on.
Is it possible? Because I was just talking noise. Is it somebody else like you? Somebody trying to replicate your style? They got some foams out?
Yeah, and there are other companies that have direct.
For real?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we're going to see about that. That's going to be good. I hope I find somebody.
See too what kind of tires win here today.
Yeah, that's what I want to know.
Some guys are running aired up tires where they actually take like a football or a basketball valve.
Yeah.
You can buy the valve separately, but some guys find that the ones that are in the balls are thinner in height, so they'll actually buy a ball, cut out the valve, and then glue it into the plastic tire.
Yeah.
They use CA glue to seal up the beads, and from there they can use like an air pump. And
For real?
Yeah, they use a mercury gauge to measure the pressure, because it's only like, it's very minute pressure because we're
Yeah, that little old
tire.
small tire.
But like the dudes in the BMF truck over there.
Oh, yeah.
They're from Oklahoma. And this is my first time to meet them. I got to go inside. Man, that thing's nice. We got to walk through that.
In the BMF trailer?
Yeah, or that truck right there.
Yeah, I
Let's go check
see
that
it.
out.
Come on, let's go over there.
Let's go check that. We can
I was
look at
scared to walk in
it. Oh
there.
no, you're good. You're good. It's no prep. They've already blown it off.
Oh,
So
I ain't want them to be saying nothing to me.
oh no, you good.